Okay, let's go over the skill building answers. So letter A, degree is 4 because that is our highest exponent. My coefficients, these are all the numbers in front of all of the variables, including the one at the end, because really this would be 8 times x to the 0. You want to make sure that you have all of the x terms. So like here's x to the 4th, 3rd, 2nd, 1st, and 0. So I actually have all of them. So I don't need to worry about filling anyone in with a 0. So I'm just going to go ahead and take all the coefficients. It would be 6, -3, 5, 1, and 8. 8 is a coefficient. It is also our constant term because it doesn't have a variable attached to it. Letter B. Degree is 2. Coefficients are -1, 1, and 0. Again, I need my constant term, and this constant term is 0. Letter C looks a little different than the rest of these. I need to make it look like letter A. So I would go ahead and FOIL these two first, and then multiply that answer by x. And when we do that, we get x cubed minus 8x squared plus 15x. So degree is 3. Coefficients are 1, -8, 15, and 0 is also our constant term. And the answer for letter D already popped up already. My degree here is 0 because this is 10 times x to the 0 power. So that's why my degree is 0. My coefficient is 10 and my constant term is 10. Those are the answers for skill building. If you had trouble with any of these or have any further questions, please don't hesitate to email me. I try to answer those pretty quickly. So we'll be moving on to the next slide shortly.